Hello, in this video I'd really quickly just want to go over using constraints to make cuts in objects with history-enabled Booleans. So here you can see I've got two different constraint sketches. I have this cutter sketch on the world top, and then here on the world right I have the side profile of a piece here. And so what I want to do is extrude this side profile out here and then extrude this top sketch down to cut through it. And hopefully it makes a little sense as I kind of go a little further along. So here you can see I've kind of got the necessary dimensions set up for this. I've got the radius of this arc here defined. I've also got an offset constraint between these two curves, and I can also adjust the length of the part down here with this dimension. So that covers the side profile. I have a very similar setup, just basically without the offset on top. We have this 15 unit dimension here that you can use to adjust the length as well, and the same to adjust the radius. So let's actually get started in making the extrusions. So as you can see, I've got the record history button on. I'm going to go ahead and select all of these curves, and I'll do extrude curve. I want to make sure the solid option is yes on this, and I'm going to come off to one of the other views so I can get a nice kind of precise 10 units worth of extrusion. There, I've got that set up. Now you can see I can adjust these dimensions and the extrusion updates as well. Okay, almost there. We're going to do a very similar thing with the cutter part up here. I'm going to go ahead and solid, extrude planar curve, straight, and then again I'll kind of come down quite a ways. And now I've got these two parts. Now, this is something that's been worked on in the WIP, I believe, is getting the actual cut to happen. So I'll go ahead and run the Boolean difference command. And you'll see here this delete input option. I'm going to go ahead and set that to no. And then select surfaces or poly surfaces to subtract from. I want to cut away from this part. And then I want to subtract with the part that came down here. And now it's there in the scene. So I'm going to go ahead and select these two extrusions, just go ahead and hide them. And now you can see we have our cutout piece here. Oh, you can notice I didn't actually get this one long enough. So I'll come down here, I'll tweak the dimension a bit, out to 12. And now we have that cut go all the way back. And so I guess you guys can kind of see maybe some uses for this, things that are interesting. I hope to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching.